Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Fenix 6 watch to your iPhone. First, you'll need to download the Garmin Connect application from your iPhone's App Store. It's crucial to enable Bluetooth on your iPhone, but remember, do not pair directly through your phone's Bluetooth settings. Instead, always use the Garmin Connect app for a proper connection. Finally, power on your Fenix 6 watch to prepare it for pairing. Now let's get your devices talking. Open the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone. If this is your first device, the app will prompt you to add one. Otherwise, navigate to Garmin Devices and select Add Device. On your Fenix 6, access the main menu, go to Settings, then Phone and choose Pair Phone. A 6-digit code will appear on your watch. Enter this into the app on your iPhone to complete the pairing. Sometimes, connections can be a bit stubborn. If you encounter issues, try these simple troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your iPhone and your Garmin Fenix 6 watch. Next, ensure your Garmin Connect app is fully updated to its newest version. If problems persist, remove your Fenix 6 from both the Garmin Connect app and your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Then attempt the entire pairing process again from the beginning. This often resolves most common connection glitches. With your Fenix 6 successfully connected, you can now enjoy its full potential. Keep your iPhone within approximately 10 meters of your watch for a consistent and stable Bluetooth connection. The Garmin Connect app will automatically sync your activity data, deliver smart notifications to your wrist, and allow you to customize watch settings. You can also control music playback and use Garmin Pay for contactless transactions, making your daily activities more convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.